You like to wheelie? What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike, and today is a big day. Finally got my bike back. It's your boys from Ruroc. We got Ben and Zach out here. I've been spending the past couple days with these guys. Took them out to Wing House. What'd you guys think of that?
Pretty cool place.
Pretty different, yeah. So these guys aren't even from America. They're visiting down, making some stops, actually hand delivering my Ruroc helmet that I ordered back in February. Finally, patiently waited, got this puppy, and guys, it honestly, I'm not even just saying it, looks way better in person. But I haven't really been recording too much this weekend, just kind of getting the bike dialed and everything else. But like I said, I'm super happy with the bike. Spent hours after the build just getting everything fine-tuned, everything else. Other than that, guys, I'm just gonna go push it back to the footage that these guys captured. Check them out on Instagram, Ruroc. I hope you guys enjoy this footage, and let me know what you guys think of the helmet. Motovlog set up to come soon.
For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and days. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talking collar for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we ain't trying to grow any stuff. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Crash testing.
We gotta launch off in order though, like.
You're hopping in a pick?
Rookie.
Come on, man.
You hear this?
Come on,
hey, you guys hear what's going on?
No.
We're gonna launch off.
Oh, I got you.
Like Rookie's gonna launch off the burnout, then Prodigy, then me, then you.
All right. What are you doing? I might. Everybody ready? That's a wrap. Alrighty, YouTube, the time has come. One nice timber, as I like to call it, basically where you're sitting on the tank and the bike falls the other way, so you're just slamming right on your back. But with that being said, I was able to test one nice smack on this helmet, and the trim actually saved all the paint, thankfully, so I'm super happy I didn't destroy my helmet first day. But at least Ben here got to see some product testing. Yeah, man. Did you guys have a good stay out here in Florida?
Yeah, it's been incredible.
Awesome, man. So these guys have been out here for 2 days now, and we're gonna go wrap up, grab some food, and then they're gonna have a little bit of time tomorrow to explore Florida a little bit. Recommending Clearwater Beach. And my boy Zach, he thought he could hide and be tucking away the camera equipment, but this man killed it on the cameras this weekend. He got very, very trustworthy of me going around him in circles, so it made for some epic footage, guys. But this man is a man with the plan behind the cameras. My boy Prodigy Stunts came out, represented, did the damn thing. Always representing that King tire, plenty of rubber to spare. Yes, sir. That's actually what we were rocking. My boy put it to the bands. But the cool thing about these tires, people, you can run them to nothing. Literally, you can make this whole tire full of metal bands before that thing gives out. So good to the last drop. I ain't talking Folgers. Yeah, we got Chase out here. We got the Ruroc boys. We got Mercedes. We got the stunt lot, bro. My baby girl Dodge already getting dents and scratches and stuff. I'm a little upset about it. Someone threw a sauce packet on it too. Not cool. And we got Savage Stunts out here. And we got some street boys, you know what I'm saying, dirt boys, Lewis Stunts, guys. That's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this footage. Be sure to check out Ruroc.com and their Instagram. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And like always, keep it dank. Later! All right, so first thoughts on the helmet. Obviously, what attracted me to the helmet was the design. When you see something online, you don't necessarily think it's what you're gonna see in person, but this thing definitely delivered. One major thing, the biggest thing I like about it is the fact that it's just super lightweight. We're in a parking lot doing slow speed stunts, so there's not a whole lot of airflow. You're not getting higher speeds, but you have this option right here for the vent, which I really like. A lot of moto vloggers like myself, we have an issue where the vents are usually opened up right here. The fact that you can adjust the vents from the inside where your camera mount's not affected is super nice. I think that's gonna be a big selling point. Biggest thing though, it's kind of new to me, so I'm still trying to get used to it, but it's crazy how easy this thing clicks together. You got these nice fabrics here, but that's just crazy. The only thing I can hope for is that I keep her nice and pretty.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it